Aklan, and upon the recommendation of teacher Josette Navarra, that these 67 kindergarten 1 candidates for promotion of whom 29 are boys and 38 are girls for this school year 2020-2021 have satisfactorily satisfied the minimum requirements for pre-kindergarten curriculum prescribed by the Holy Child Nursery and Kindergarten School. Henceforth, on this 7th day of May 2021, I hereby confirm your promotion. You are now eligible for admission to any private schools in the country offering pre-elementary education. Congratulations.